Liyang Industry, established in 1995. We are leader in manufacturing of small starter batteries in China and serving to more than 100 OEMs and more than 10 million users, domestic and global markets. We have strong workforce of more than 700 committed employees and having manufacturing set up in 88,000 square meters with an annual production capacity of more than 12 million batteries. It owns many companies including Sichuan Liyang Industry, Chongqing Liyang Industry, Liyang Plastics, Liyang Sulfuric Acid and Liyang Lithium Battery Sales Company. We are leader in technology advancement and having automated production lines with follow strong production management system, having almost all major international certifications and qualified license for manufacturing. Our patented products made us leader in small starter battery industry. Our 4BS micro-crystalline technology can greatly accelerate formation of 4BS at low temperature and significantly improves battery discharge performance. Our GPS battery monitoring technology, intelligent module can effectively monitor the battery and can warn accidents caused by accidental discharge of the battery. Through R&D and investment in high-performance lead-acid-ion battery, new battery, digital mobile terminal, sensor, smart energy storage manage, growing circular economy, Liyang has been seeking new product opportunities. Every product manufactured by Liyang has undergone precision production and strict testing and provides customers with powerful technology, production and service guarantees. Liyang Battery has a complete product range including Nano GL series, maintenance-free series, semi-maintenance-free series, YB dry charge series with excellent power and performance. The product has many excellent performance characteristics and is widely used in starting motorcycles, tricycles, automobiles, ships, agricultural general machinery, and other various applications. Liyang's excellent quality and reliable performance are widely trusted by our partners and users in China as well as globally. 70% of top leading motorcycle manufacturers are use Liyang batteries as the first choice for original equipment. In 400 cities across the country, Liyang Battery has more than 800 sales and service outlets, and its products are exported to 86 countries in the regions such as South America, Southeast Asia, India, and Africa. We respect each other and are not afraid of any challenges. We strive for excellence and working closely with our partners. While exploring the best energy storage solutions, we are also committed to promoting the development of clean energy and education to make human life better. We have never stopped. We are not only produce high-quality batteries, but also helping our partners to grow together. For quality excellence, Liyang Battery is your best choice.